We are speaking about a drug. A drug is any substance that, when absorbed into the body of living organisms, alters normal bodily function. There is no single precise definition, as there are different meanings in drug control law, government regulation, medicine, and colloquial usage. In pharmacology, a drug is a chemical substance used in the treatment, cure, prevention, or diagnosis of disease, or used to otherwise enhance psycho or mental well-being. Drug may be prescribed for a limited duration or on a regular basis for chronic disorders.
Medicine are legal drugs. If you've ever been sick and had to take medicine, you already know about one kind of drug. Medicine are legal drugs. Many doctors are allowed to prescribe them for patent. Stores can sell them, and people are allowed to buy them, but it is not legal or safe for people to use these medicine any way they want or to buy them from people who are selling the
Illegal drugs. When people talk about a drug problem, they usually mean abusing legal drugs or using illegal drugs, such as marijuana, ecstasy, cocaine, LSD, crystal meth, and heroin. Marijuana is generally an illegal drug, but some states allow doctors to recommend to adults for certain illnesses.
There are different types of drugs that teens can abuse. In order to better protect your teen and to understand teen drugs use, it is important to know the different types of drugs that are the most popular among teenagers. Most drugs used by teens today fall into these categories: club drugs, hallucinogens, inhalants, methamphetamine, crack, cocaine, prescription drugs, and marijuana. Hallucinogens. These are drugs that change a person's perceptions of reality. Teens that use hallucinogens tend to see, hear, and feel things that seem quite real.
Inhalants. These are substances that one does not normally consider drugs. However, they are considered addictive, as teens that use them can come to develop a dependence on the effects that they receive from inhaling the chemical vapors. Prescription drugs. Prescription drugs are drugs that have been prescribed to someone, or are used by those they have not been prescribed to. Many teens abuse prescription drugs by buying things like Ritalin from students with ADHD, meth, cocaine, crack, and marijuana. All three of these are individual drugs that are popular on their own, and don't necessarily fit into another group of drugs. Use of meth is made easy by the fact that it's simple to produce and offers almost immediate effects. Cocaine and crack both offer varying degrees of a high. Marijuana is in a class by itself, not particularly and immediately harmful. It nevertheless alters consciousness and can produce feelings of moral apathy and judgment distortion. While teen drug use of other drugs is mostly declining, marijuana use is rising, due to the fact that it's not perceived as a dangerous drug.